Alright, so here's my truck. 2020 Silverado Trail Boss. Had it for about a little over a month now. Done some modifications to it, so I'm going to do a quick walk around and just point out some of the modifications. Right here on the front, I added the aero skin. It's right on the lip of the hood. It's gloss black, just like the front fascia and the grille, so it has a real nice touch there. Pretty much extends that to the top. Here on the wheels, I changed out the tire valve caps from the cheap plastic black ones to these red ones that are made of metal, and those are cheap too, but just definitely a lot nicer. Those are only $4 or $5 for like the whole set. Right over here I painted the brake caliper. I used the duplicate color brake caliper paint, which is meant to withstand like 900 degrees or something like that. I don't remember the exact amount, but that's that. The rear calipers are also painted. Then in here inside the wheel well, I added the fender liner. That didn't come with it. Just had the whole underbed there, underside exposed, so I went ahead and added that, cover it up. Bought those at the dealership. Coming around to the rear here, I put in the tailgate letters. It's gloss black as well. They're raised with bevel edged, which in my opinion are a little nicer than the domed or the flat vinyl cutouts. Down here I also got a red shackle added to the hitch receiver, so that's pretty cool. Better than a cap in my opinion. Up top we got the tonneau cover. Got that at tonneaucoversworld.com. I think the brand on that is Gator. It's a trifold soft top by Gator. Gator SFX. That's what it was. Alright. Coming back around the front here. 2020 Silverado Trail Boss. Thanks for watching. Alright, I forgot to mention when I was doing the walk around that I also replaced the reverse tail light bulbs here. Hard to tell in the video, but you can see that's not a halogen, it's now an LED. I also did it with the license plate, so it's a bright white light now instead of that yellowish dimmer factory halogen.